Over the weekend, the Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Philadelphia chapter hosted the Juanita Stout Youth Conference at the Cristo Rey High School in North Philadelphia. This conference is designed to raise awareness and strengthen the financial education of the youth and their families in the Philadelphia region about entrepreneurship, savings, investing, and wealth creation. And guess who the Delta's invited to present to the students? I'm not going to lie, I almost passed this up because the demands on tax season are crazy.
We need our millions, and I'm not going to jail. I'm at the IRS, and then they talking about they taking us to jail if we don't leave because two women had a fight. But
I pushed through. With a few pots of coffee, I could stay awake since I haven't gotten any sleep in a few weeks. The impact of the conference was so profound, the local news couldn't stay away. Fox 29, 6 ABC, spotlighted our efforts, shining a light on the importance of financial literacy. And guess what? One of my sessions was not only featured on 6 ABC and Fox News, but also made the headlines on PHL 17 Nightly News.
Members of the Delta Sigma Theta sorority are teaching young students valuable lessons about finance. Today, the organization hosted the Juanita Stout Youth Conference in Cristo Rey High School in North Philadelphia. Students grades 5th through 12th were taught everything from budgeting and debt management to building wealth through real estate.
It's moments like these that fuel my passion and commitment. Just a reminder, if you want a better community, you have to get involved. Can't just sit back and complain about what's wrong. You have to create the right. Get involved. Stay involved.